I'm a big deal. Me and my friends, them a big deal. Christopher Martin shares the backstory behind his 2015 hit in our PREE Culture segment. Check it out.
I'm a big deal. I'm a friend, I'm a big deal. Yeah, we're kinda important.
This is Christopher Martin and reggae and dancehall music, a PREE culture. How did Big Deal come about? Big Deal is somewhat a true reflection of how I view myself. You know, in its simplest and its purest form, I view myself as a big deal. You know, I think of myself in a positive way, and I just wanted to kind of get others to think of themselves in that way. So that's how the entire song came about. You know, me and my friends are always hanging out. Me and my friends are always partying. So at the point in time when I got the song, my friend Jeremy and Mason was alive. Now he may so rest in peace. And I told him about the idea. He thought it would be a big hit, and so said.
This has nothing to do with money or fame or vanity. This one is all about self-worth.
Who produced the song and which studio it was recorded? The producer of the song is Triton Music, and it was recorded at my studio, Big Yard. What was the vibe like during the entire recording? It was awesome, man. It was high energy. I've been recording with one set engineer for like the past 14 years. I would say, yeah, maybe 13 years. Kamal, you know, so we always have that kind of rapport, that kind of energy, a synergy. So, you know, he likes to send forth his ideas. So the funny thing about Big Deal is when I started singing the song, the first lines in the chorus were like, I'm a big deal, and my friends, I'm a big deal, the girl them love we lad, we important. And he's like, no, sing it, can't sing it that way there. You know, I mean, people are gonna feel like, yeah, show off what I talk about. And I said, true, you know, because it really shouldn't just be about me and my friends, you know what I mean? And I really, the whole aim of the song was to try and uplift people, so it would be defeating the purpose.
So whether you walk or you a drive car, I tell if you're white or black like tar, me feel good in yourself, you're a star.
Did I think it would have taken off the way it did? I can't even say, to be honest, you know. I just had high hopes for it. It's a song that I really loved. I was very proud of it. Production-wise, recording-wise, I was very proud of it. So I had high hopes for it, but the magnitude and to how well it did, nah, I never saw it. And that is the beauty about music.
So with the new year right around the corner, we hit the streets for Ask the People them. What's your biggest goal for 2025? Let's check out their responses in our Why PREE Vox Pop.
Why PREE?
What do you hope to accomplish in 2025? What's your number one goal?
Travel the world for to play music. So for me personally, when I go into this new year, new me mentality, you see me? For me personally is to start engineering school.
Definitely to get closer to God and continue staying in the gym.
Basically to achieve all of my goals and aspirations and just to be there more for my son.
A holistic, happy family, money and a job, landing a big job for a big girl, yeah. So much. Just stay tuned and you'll see.
More bookings, just more everything in life. Just want to be a better person, a better DJ, just to be out there more and just to be happy and more peace.
So I would like to start a family.
Start a family?
Yeah.
So you have a husband?
Not yet.
So you start family and I know husband.
I'm working on it.
So my number one goal for 2025 is to lock into the gym. You see me? What are your personal goals? Let us know on all our social media platforms at PREE DIS Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, the comments section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why PREE.
Why PREE?
And that's how we close this week's episode of PREE DIS Show. I'm your host, Nalda Adi, and next week it will be a brand new year. Are you ready? I'm looking forward to see you guys. Take care. I'm out.